Alright, some jack nut pretty much broke my mirror. As you can see, it's mostly the inner part. So, replace that. Alright, this is a 2021 F-150 mirror. Got a camera. It doesn't have the whatever light there and the puddle thing, but I just need this piece. So, found out it's relatively easy to take these off. You just kind of get your hand, pop off. And then you got these, I'm guessing for a heated mirror. The white and black stripe closest to the circle. Don't know if it matters. This one's interesting. There's like a little button here, and then also these black things, so you have to like push down at the same time. So if you see I'm pushing down, there. So these little things. But yeah, that's relatively easy to take off. So still just need this part. And then screw here, 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 here. T15 Torx. Relatively easy. And then this part is what comes off this back. So it slides that way and that way. Nice and easy. Got the camera. All right, and what you see is a little tab right here. So I'm gonna take this part off, and then you can see it's got little ears that hold it on in there. It doesn't just come off. So you push this in. I think it is. Oh no, is it that one? Yeah, that one. Like that. And then this part lifts forward. You can see where that clip is in there, is what you just released. And then it comes this way, and then slide outward from there. And this is the part I need. Nice and simple. Go replace it on my mirror. The one I bought doesn't have this, but that's on the outer shell anyway. So first, we're gonna rip this off, like the other one. Woo! Pops off. Same little hard clip. Like that. White wire closer to the circle. Nice. And then got the 4 T15s. Okay. And then, let's see, this back cover slides off like that. Still good. And this one, ooh. It's the same situation where that clip right there. And then it slides off. Boom. The non-broken one. Slide that on there. Like so. Clips on. And this part. The way that way. we go. So now, slide that in there. Multi-step process. White wire. And these wires. Boop. Like so. And you make sure these two go into these two holes. There. I don't know why that part, but it's probably just, this might be broken too.